Okay, anseo tá na focal tá a gcuin inné. So osel, holla, crown, mata, madra, marla, bara, banana, busca, geta, turnipa, na prune. Okay? So tá gach focal anseo tá amar a bhí mar ag úsáid inné. So big sib ag scríban ish, so ag scríb na focal anseo. So ag cuir na litter le chéile, so ag cuir le chéile, so ba na, so sin the syllables, okay? So ba na, okay? Banana. Okay, so le de ver no an mouse con scríb. So an look con scríb an task sin fuirfa. So use the mouse or your finger to write down the word and put them together, okay? So anseo le D, so scríb ceithre focal ón lista. Okay, so ceithre focal ón lista seo that you can see inside here. So you can use all these letters to make a word. So for example, they've made busca here for us. So B-O-S-C-A. Okay, so one I can see straight away is Marla. So M-A-R-L-A. Okay, so straight away we've another word there. So any word from here that you can make up from these letters, write them down in this list, okay? So you can type them here or you can write them if you want. I just want you writing here. You can type or write here as well. Okay? And what I want you to do on shot is cén C a bhíonn ag fá sa fork. So it's a word beginning with C and we have to finish it off. And then cén M a bhíonn ag tafan. So ag tafan sin barking. Okay? So what's barking in the park? They have a picture here to help you. Madra. Okay, so the bhíonn an madra ag tafan. Okay, so cuir na litter seach. So madra. Okay, so you can either again write them yourself or you can type them in. I don't mind, just I want you writing these ones, alright? So put them together writing those ones, okay? And then for the next one, basically we have to write the word under the picture. So they're not going to help us as much now, but we should be able to write the word under the picture, okay? And we should know what each of these words mean now. And then we're going to write it in just under here. So whatever this is, so this is Madra, so you write in Madra. And then you have to write in whatever this is as Gaeilge on Rud Seo, agus an Rud Seo. So scríb síos an focal is seach an seo. Alright? Agus an seo tá crossfocal. So beag sé bhábal tá na focal a dhéanamh as an lína. So an seo tá asal, so tá asal imethe. So beidir go bhfuil holla an seo, so cá bhfuil holla. An bhfuil holla ag aon duine. An seo. So holla, okay? So cuir circle an seo holla, okay? So déanaí artwa, so do your best, and if you have any problems, contact me on Dojo. I have no problem with that. I'll try to respond as quickly as possible. You should be able to do this. You've been doing these words for the last few days, so good luck, and I hope to be able to hear you on Friday when you're saying them on the Zoom, okay?